Have you ever wondered how the sun's rays power our modern world? Welcome to the fascinating world of solar cells, where sunlight transforms into clean, renewable energy. Solar cells, also known as photovoltaic cells, are marvels of science. These tiny devices convert light directly into electricity using the photovoltaic effect. But how does it work? A solar cell is made of silicon, a material that absorbs light to generate electron-hole pairs. These charges are separated and directed to an external circuit, creating electricity. It's like capturing the sun's power in a tiny, efficient chip. From homes to cars, and even satellites in space, solar cells are revolutionizing how we harness energy. Did you know a single crystalline silicon cell produces only about 0.5 volts? But combine many of them in a solar panel, and you have a powerhouse of renewable energy. As we face a global energy crisis, solar technology offers hope. With advancements in efficiency and design, solar cells are paving the way for a greener, more sustainable future. The next time you see a solar panel, remember, it's not just a piece of technology. It's a step toward a cleaner planet and a brighter future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Creativepedia channel for more amazing insights.